Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new video. And on today's video, I will be showing you how to remove newsfeed on Microsoft Edge. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, on your desktop, open up the Microsoft Edge. After you open up, here on this interface, you will get some news feed or some news. Now to remove all of this, tap on the settings icon from the upper right corner of your screen. A dialog box will pop up. From that dialog box, scroll down and under this content, there you will get content visible. Click on there. A drop down menu will pop up. From there, click on content off. And as you can see, all the newsfeed are removed. So this is how you can remove newsfeed on Microsoft Edge. I hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you for watching again. I will see you on next video.